In this video, we are going to flatten the array in Pandas Dataframe. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for how to flatten array in Pandas Dataframe. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the second result. This use case requires pandas and numpy libraries to function. So make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in a single click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to your IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code before proceeding. This line of the code is to import pandas and numpy libraries. With pd.dataframe, here we will be creating data frame which has an array as column value. And this part of the code is to flatten the array value into distinct values. dfp is to print the data frame. Let's run the code now. Give command data and you have flattened an array in Pandas Dataframe.